Lecture 4 of HFSS Basic Tutorial Series. In this lecture we will discuss view command. In different views we can set an R object. Just right click and go into view. These are the commands of, but what does they mean? Rotate, zoom in, zoom out. You can access these commands from here, toolbars, and also just go into tools and customize. If these commands are missing from toolbars, you can enter them from here. Just go into tools and customize and go into a command tab, into a modeler view interaction. First one we have, here is the description of that command. First is just click on that. What does it work? Right click, view, and this command work by dragging the mouse with left button of mouse pressed. You can move the object in any position in a window. Second one is rotate. We have three different type of rotate commands. First is just to rotate in any random direction. Second is rotate around an axis. In this way, the two axes will be rotate and one axis will be fixed. The Z axis will be fixed. And third rotate command is just object will be at a center and axis will be rotate. So let's see. Right click, go into view and rotate. Rotate modeler center. We can rotate it in any direction. You can see that all three axes are rotating. If I want to rotate this an object around in a current axis, which is Z axis, right click, rotate, and this second one, rotate current axis by dragging the mouse with left button pressed. Here you can see that Z axis is fixed and current axis is rotating in all different direction. And third rotate command is rotate at screen center. And next command is, this command is work zoom by dragging the mouse with left button pressed. And next, in which area you want to zoom it, positive zoom and negative zoom. And there will be, next command is fit in all in a same view, and last one is fit in all in active view. Let's see one by one. Right click, view, and here is zoom command. By just pressing the left button of mouse, and you can move the mouse by zooming it. Next is zoom in a triangular view. Zoom in, positive zoom. For example, I want to zoom this object in a active view. Just draw in a triangle like this. And next command is set all in active view. Next, zoom out the portion I will select, that will be further zoom out. Similarly, I can again zoom in this way. Next, we have two commands for active view. Here you can see that. First is for make all the object in active view. Here it is. And second one is to select an object. For example, I have selected this one. This one's object I have selected, and this is fits selection. Whatever object I have selected, that will come into a view, and other will be not in active view. Here it is. If I am going to select this object and using same command, and other object come into active view. If I want to all of them in as active view, so this is a command. If I want to make a comment on any object, just click on that object, go into HFSS tab and press on note, edit notes. I can write here anything. And just press on OK, and that notes will be in our HFSS design. Here it is. Just press on it, you can see that whatever notes you have written here, you can edit it, you can delete them, you can finish them. Just OK, and when there is nothing in notes, they automatically disappear. Second is, if you have a lot of objects, you can check out by going to HFS and list. From here you can select them, you can change their color by double clicking on them. By changing the property, you can change further colors. Next lecture we will discuss for a basic design in a model. What are the basic steps to design any model in HFSS?